Ocean, meaning the large body of salt water. Example, we swam in the ocean. Beach, meaning the sandy land next to the sea. Example, let's go to the beach. Climate, meaning the usual weather in a place. Example, the climate here is warm. Pollution, meaning dirty or harmful substances in air or water. Example, reduce pollution to protect health. Recycle, meaning to make used materials into new ones. Example, please recycle your plastic bottles. You did amazing today. Remember, repetition is the mother of learning. See you in the next lesson.